All right, I'm gonna show you guys something very awesome. So Jeep, I love Jeeps, but they're also, they have their flaws, but they're also really cool. So you're here for this video to find out how to put your Jeep in brake maintenance mode. You don't need a special scanner or tool or anything crazy. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen this on any other car. So hit more, go to settings. You're going to go to safety and assistance right there. Next, we're going to go to brakes right there. And then brake service mode. Click on that sucker right there. Would you like to retract park brakes to allow for brake system service? Wow, mind blown. I have never seen this on any other car on a screen like this. This is so cool. So yes. Can you hear that? It's working. Hold on. Hear that? Park brake retracted. To reset, press brake pedal and activate park brake switch. So let me hit X. So when you go back, auto park brake automatically sets park brake when shifted. Nah, okay, never mind. Anyways, when I'm done with my service, I'll show you how to put it back, just so you can see me do it, so you don't mess your stuff up, and maybe I'll mess my stuff up instead, but hopefully that's not the case. All right, see you guys soon. All right, once work is complete, go ahead, turn on the car, foot on the brake, and parking brake. So it says press brake pedal and activate park brake switch. So I'm pulling it. Boom, boom. Brake service exit complete. Park brake reset. Boom and boom. And next, just test it. Park brake on. Brake. Park brake off. Booyah. Well, I hope this helped you out, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, and do whatever you gotta do. Help your boy out. Have a good one. Peace.